this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect Microsoft Teams to N8N for seamless workflow automation. Start by adding a Microsoft Teams node to your N8N workflow. Next, go to the credentials section, click Create New and select Microsoft. Authenticate using OAuth 2 with an Azure app that has the necessary permissions for Teams like sending messages, accessing channels, or managing members. Once authenticated, select the operation you want to automate, sending a channel message, creating a team, or managing members. Then configure the parameters including team ID, channel ID, and message content if needed. Double check everything to avoid errors. Finally, save and run your workflow to see your integration in action. And that's it. Microsoft Teams is now connected to N8N, ready to streamline your tasks and boost productivity.